Socks printing mistakes to avoid. Importance of choosing the right material for printed socks. Polyester, cotton, nylon, wool. Pre-treatment of different materials. There are significant differences in the production processes of different fiber materials. Before printing, materials such as cotton, wool, bamboo fiber, and nylon must go through a special sizing pretreatment process. Printing process, avoiding common pitfalls. When printing socks, the choice of ink directly determines the durability of the pattern, color performance, and wearing comfort. Different fabrics need to be matched with specific types of ink due to their fiber structure and chemical properties. Otherwise, fading, cracking, bleeding, and other problems may occur. Post-processing of different materials. Polyester. Put the printed socks into the sock oven for high-temperature color development. Disperse dyes, sublime it directly from solid to gas at high temperatures of 170 to 220 degrees Celsius without passing through the liquid state. This process is called thermosublimation. The sublimated dye gas diffuses to the surface of the polyester fiber due to the thermal motion of the molecules. Cotton. Put the printed socks into the steamer for staining. After digital printing, cotton socks must go through the steaming process, which is the core step of fixing the reactive dyes. Its principle is mainly based on the chemical reaction between dyes and fibers under high temperature and high humidity environment and physical diffusion. After steaming the cotton socks, we need to put them into the washing machine for washing and color fixing. The front and back processing of cotton, nylon, wool, bamboo fiber is the same, all of which need to be sizing, printing, steaming, and washing. Creating a successful socks printing experience. Final thoughts and tips. This video ends here. Follow Colorado for more digital printing tips.